Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I want to show you this really cute Happy Thanksgiving turkey card. It has this super cute turkey here on the front that's all layered together. There's a space on the inside for your message, and of course it comes with an included envelope. This card is super simple to put together. You can knock these out really quick in my opinion, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Once you've typed in the password, you're brought to all the free files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 141. That's the Happy Thanksgiving Turkey card. Go ahead and click that hyperlink, download the file onto your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and upload image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. There are a few things that we need to do to the file before we can go ahead and cut it out. So we need to scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope group. That's this group right here. You need to click on the score line, come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, come up to the operation menu, change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. Lastly, we're going to want the Cricut to draw out the Happy Thanksgiving sentiment. So we need to find that layer. That's right here. Click on the text, come up to the operation menu and change that to pen. You can change the color right here if you wish. And highlight the group and attach. So when you're all done, you're going to have the score line for the envelope converted, the score line for the card base converted, and then the text for the sentiment is converted to pen. Once all that's done, go ahead and click Make It. I'm going to be using the mat for this project. You can see the different mats here. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and layer our little turkey together. I have included a layering guide within the download to help act as a visual aid for you. I would refer you to that. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I assemble everything together, so I would definitely make sure to check out that layering guide within the download. Okay, so here is our cute little turkey. Isn't he adorable? I'm going to set him to the side. Now I'm going to go ahead and mat and layer the sentiment layer and then the messaging panel as well. Now let's fold and burnish along the score line on the card base. Go ahead and open up the card base, and let's add our messaging panel to the inside. Now we can add our front cover panel to the front of the card. And now we can just add our little turkey right to the center of the front cover panel. And there we go. How cute is that card? I'm going to set him to the side so that he can dry. I'll go ahead and show you how to make the envelope really quick. So we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines of the envelope. Take our inlay panel and add glue along the outer edge. Flip the inlay panel over and place that over the cutout on the envelope. Spin the envelope around, and because there is a little bit of dimension on the turkey, I'm going to suggest that you place the card in the envelope and then bring the side flaps in. Add your glue to the bottom of those side flaps, and then bring the bottom flap up and press. You're going to want to hold it there for just a minute to make sure that the glue starts to bond. Carefully slip that card out, and you can see how it forms a little bit of a pocket. Isn't this so cute? I love how simple it is, and I love that little turkey. You can use that embellishment for lots of different things for Thanksgiving. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you make this card. If you do make it, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends that would love to see your creations. We love to support and motivate each other in that group. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. Bye.